Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to dive into a classic Indian dessert, kheer. This creamy, milk-based pudding is a delightful treat that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. To start, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of basmati rice or vermicelli, -1/4 cup of sugar, a pinch of ground cardamom and saffron optional, a handful of chopped nuts like almonds or pistachios optional. Now, let's get cooking. Here's how to make a delicious kheer. 1. Heat the milk in a saucepan over medium heat. Add the basmati rice or vermicelli and stir well. Cook until the rice is soft and translucent. 2. Add the sugar and stir until it dissolves completely. Continue cooking on low heat for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally to avoid burning. This process will thicken the kheer. 3. If you want to add some extra flavor, toss in a pinch of ground cardamom and saffron for an aromatic touch. Stir well to incorporate them evenly. 4. If you're adding nuts, do so just before taking the kheer. Off heat to avoid them burning in the milk mixture during cooking time 3 to 4 minutes. This adds crunchy texture and rich flavors to your kheer. Remember to stir gently so as not to crush the nuts in the process. 5. Let your kheer cool down completely before serving, chilled or at room temperature according to your preference. And voila! You've just made a delicious bowl of kheer. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for making a delicious kheer at home. Don't forget to hit like if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tasty recipes like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and happy cooking!